Good afternoon. Continue this chapter regulatory affairs. So in previous classes, I have discussed about every country have certain regulatory agency. In India, having Central Drug Standard Control Organization. In short form, it is called CDSCO. The CDSCO having comes under Direct General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, is the National Regulatory Authority, NRA of India. Its headquarters is located in FDA Bhavan, Kotla Road, New Delhi, and has 6 zonal offices, 4 sub-zonal offices, 13 port office, and 7 laboratories spread across the country. The Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 have entrusted various responsibilities to central and state regulatory for regulation of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. It invests inform implementation of the provision of the Act and rules made them, and under the ensuring the safety rights as well as beings of the peoples of the regulatory regulating the drug and cosmetic. These are the main functions of CDSCO Delhi. Then whenever we seek is having the CDSCO having the next higher authority is called Drug Controller General of India. It is called DCGI. Drug Control of India is department of CDSCO under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The department is responsible for approval of license of a specific category of drugs such as blood and blood products, fluid, vaccines, and sera in India. DCGI sets standard for manufacture, sales, import, and distribution of drug in India. DCGI heads the India Drug Regulatory Body CDSCO, which function include ensuring the quality of drug and cosmetic acts which is sold in India, approve of new drug, regulatory clinical trial, and DCGI lays down the standards and quality of manufacturing, selling, importing, distribution of drug in India. This is the main function of DCGI that is comes under CDSCO, Delhi Regulatory Agency of India. When we look the United States having Food and Drug Administration, Food and Drug FDA, US FDA is federal agency of executive department, US Department of Health and Human Services. The FDA is responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the control and supervision of food safety, tobacco product, dietary supplement, prescription, and OTC pharmaceutical product. These are the main functions of that is FDA. It also regulates vaccines, vaccine, biopharmaceutical, blood transfusion, medical device, electromagnetic radiation emitting device, cosmetic, animal house, and food and veterinary product. The FDA was empowered by the US Congress by enforcing the Federal Revenue Act. This is the main regulatory agency of United States. If you see the United Kingdom, that is Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. The United Kingdom have a regulatory agency. The regulatory agency name is Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. The Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency is executive agency of the Department of Health and Social Care in the United States, which is responsible for ensuring that medicine and medical device works and acceptable safety. This is the United States regulatory agency. Next, the Australia having that is therapeutic good administration. United States regulatory agency therapeutic good administration. The therapeutic good administration TGA is the part of Department of Health, Government of Australia, and is responsible for regulating the import, supply, manufacture, export, advertising of therapeutic drug. These are the regulatory agency which is responsible for Australia. In Europe having that is Europe Director of Quality of Medicine. This is regulatory agency of European country. Okay, the last European have two things: European medical agencies, medicine agencies there. So these are the regulatory agency of different countries who regulate the safety guidelines of the drug, giving license approval. That's all. Okay, thank you all.